Hanover Fair used to be so-called the place, the marketplace for innovations. Each year used to be so-called conducted this exhibition in Germany, in Hanover. So I have lived also the time where a lot of companies that came with certain solutions. Until we have got together in the so-called industry, electrical industry, coming together to make so-called standard, to make so-called solution. Because in the 80s, the industry had made also some experiences in so-called in the PLC business, programmable logic control. So you find that time a lot of companies bringing PLC controller to the market, and they speak only their own language. There is no so-called possibility to communicate. But let me show it to you now how let's say, where we can do some energy efficiency, where we are, let's say, now today. I have also, lived also the time. I came here 2002 to develop so-called the region, MIA region for building technology. It was the first so-called event was that time set 2003. 2003 is the first green building so-called event. It was done here in Rotana Al Bustan. I was also at that time one of the speakers. And actually now, I am now 9 years here, and I can be very proud that we have achieved a lot. A lot, so that we have throughout the region a lot of installation, and these, of course, intelligent technology or intelligent building automation, which contribute to reduce the energy. So actually, we are doing now about 13 projects with the project, and I think this is the most important, that the hotel have, let's say, has to be per regulation to do, to enforce, let's say, certain regulation as per building now council, as we have seen from Yusuf Jibril from before. This is very important because I think that most of the power consuming it is in a hotel, because I am I'm traveling to the region since 1983. And very often I am coming to any hotels, 5-star hotel, you enter the room sometimes in August, and you are getting chilly because air conditioning running day and night, might be for a long time of period, and the wall saturated in so-called cold, so that you will be scared now to get now your jacket. There are, of course, let's concentrate on so-called subject here. Of course, there are a lot of initiatives coming now throughout the world, from Kyoto, from others. German, the G8 are also proposing, to have, let's say, much more initiative towards the energy efficiency. This, in fact, it is helping, but I believe also that the regulation will be a must. I have seen it. Regulation during my time in Germany. Each regulation with incentive. It helps. In the house I used to live in Germany, it was that time 80, and even before, it was a single glass, this 2.5 to 3 millimeter or 4 millimeter. Today you find a building with such a glass with a high K factor, so that it is now really insulated. And there have been put also a lot of so-called method inside or regulation to regulate the building industry.